Hello techies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Eflin Stephen Raj. Now I came up with my another application. This application is developed with IBM Watson Technologies in Python TK interface. This application is developed to classify images, convert speech to text, and vice versa. In this video, I am going to show the demo for my application. Without any delay, let's get started. This is the code for our Smart Classify app. You can clone this GitHub repo. The link is given in the description section. This is our second application. Our first application video link is given in the description section. This app is developed with IBM Watson services. If you don't know how to set up and use IBM Watson services in Python, we already published videos about it. Links for those videos are given in the description section. In this application, you have to enter your IBM Watson service credentials wherever it required. Now let's have a look at our application. This is our app user interface. I included 5 tabs to classify online image and to convert speech to text and text to speech and to classify a local image. I also included an about page. In this page, you can access all our YouTube videos about IBM Watson services. Now let's classify an online image. This is the image that we are going to classify now. Taj Mahal. Copy the image address. Then back to our application. Enter the image address and click on Classify button. That's it. Our application successfully classified the image. If you want to classify another image, you have to click on Clear Result button to clear the result. Then enter the image URL. Then click on Classify. Now we are going to classify an image from our local system. Click on Classify button. Choose the image. This is the image that we classified now. Cat. Our application successfully classified the image. If you want to classify another image, you can do so by just click on Clear Result button to clear the result. Then click on Classify button to classify another image. Now we are going to convert text to speech. This is the text file that we are going to convert now. Hello techies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Click on Convert button. Then click on the text file. You can save the text file in a male voice or female voice, that is up to you. Now I'm going to save the text file in female voice. Click on Save button. Enter the file name. That's it. We successfully converted the text file into speech. This is the result audio.
Hello techies, welcome to my YouTube. Hello techies, welcome to my YouTube channel.
That's it. We successfully converted the text file into audio file. Now we are going to convert speech to text. Click on Convert button. Then choose the audio file. That's it. We successfully converted the audio file into text file. With this, we came to the end of this video. Please experience our app. If you have any doubts or questions or feedbacks, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to contact me, you can contact me at all the social media. All the links are given in the description section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.